Good PM, ngayon po ay Friday, June 21, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, June 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong June 21, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Friday, June 21, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for June 21, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Friday, June 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.